Welcome to our Tech Insights series. Today, we're diving into some fascinating AI project ideas that you can try out. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, there's something here for everyone. 1. Chatbot development. Utilize NLP, natural language processing, to create a chatbot. This can range from a simple FAQ bot to more complex ones capable of learning from interactions. 2. Image recognition system. Implement machine learning models to recognize and classify images. This has applications in security, retail, and even wildlife monitoring. 3. Sentiment analysis tool. Develop a tool to analyze sentiments in text data, like social media posts or product reviews, using NLP and machine learning techniques. 4. Personalized recommendation engine. Create a system that suggests products, movies, or music based on user preferences and behavior using AI algorithms. 5. Autonomous robots. For those who love hardware, building a robot that can navigate and perform tasks autonomously is a challenging yet rewarding project. 6. Predictive analytics for business. Use AI to predict market trends, customer behavior, or sales outcomes. This is invaluable for business strategy and planning. 7. AI in healthcare. Work on a project that applies AI in healthcare, such as disease prediction models, patient care optimization, or medical image analysis. These are just a few ideas to get you started on your AI journey. The possibilities are endless, and the potential to innovate is massive. If you like these ideas, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more tech insights. Share your thoughts and any projects you're working on in the comments below.